Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelone back with another video today, and in today's video I wanted to do a what's in my purse, what's in my bag video. I did one of these videos maybe 4 years ago when I just started my channel, and I haven't done one since. I'll put a link, or I'll put a picture of the thumbnail here. I did that video when I kind of just left college. I think it was maybe like a year or two after university, and at that time I found that lovely purse on Amazon. But this purse in this video, this bag I actually got on my trip to New Jersey, New York late last year, and I picked it up in a TJ Maxx. I remember when I saw this bag, I initially saw the back part of it. I think the back part is a lot more interesting than the front. It is a Steve Madden purse or bag, whichever one you want to call it, and I got it because of the back. To be honest, when I saw the sides, I was like, I wasn't really a fan of the green. I could tolerate the blue, but I didn't really like the green here. But I just decided to get it because it's really for everyday use, and I just wanted to get out of my comfort zone because, you know, I didn't want to just throw away the whole bag just because I didn't like the stripe. And it was the best one I saw. It's a faux leather. Still haven't really covered that one yet. It has Steve Madden hardware here and right here, and also here. So yeah, let's jump right into this video. It has a pocket at the back. It has two pockets on the insides, like so, and then it has a main zipper here. So it has 4 main compartments. So on the outside, so I have my house key, I have my Bluetooth earphones. Love these guys. I will try to remember to leave a link in the description box. I use this earphone when I want to listen to music, when I really also seldom work out. So yeah. And also in here I have my car keys in the pockets. That's all I have in the outer pocket. Usually I would keep my work pass in here. I wonder where it is. I guess you're gonna find out. Alright, so the 2 pockets. So this one, we're gonna see what's in this side. Okay, so in this side I have my Ipsy bag that I keep my sanitary napkins in, and I also have a tape measure. Now you're wondering, why does Shelone have a tape measure in her bag? Well, for one, I used to sew back in the day, and I find it's really useful when you're buying clothes online. You know, my online shopping addict, well, not anymore though, but usually I use it to take my measurements to ensure that the size chart online is actually accurate, well, to find my right size. So yeah, and I have the charger for my iPhone, well, a part of the charger for my iPhone, and I have my iPhone. This is the, oh god, this screen look dirt. Oh, does it look dirty? Anyways, this is the iPhone XR. Let me know if you guys want to, let me know if you guys want me to do a what's on my iPhone video. And in this section I also have my little wallet. This is also Steve Madden. It has a Steve Madden on the hardware right here. So I bought this because of this. This is the reason why I bought it. So as you can see, it has Steve Madden written all over it, and it has the hardware there and that there. So in the second pockets here, I have bills, adult life, okay, and my work pass, and I also have a bunch of wires. But this is my second phone. This is like my burner phone. I have the other part of my iPhone charger. I have another earphone. This is for my iPhone because it's the newer version. I don't have the regular headphone jack anymore, but then I still have to walk with a regular earphone. In this zipper compartment we have this pouch. Now what's in this pouch, you ask? Oh my gosh. Alright, so in this I have my nasal spray because I suffer from a lot of allergies, allergy medication, pain medication. This is for my throat. I think there's some like pills in this, the one that you suck on for when I had a sore throat. There's some antibiotics for when I had bronchitis. There's hand sanitizer. There's my old Fit Me. I carry this around to touch up my lace just in case, you know, rhymes. Ah! And eye drops, because the doctor prescribed something for my eyes to help with my sinuses and to just help with the irritation. Can you imagine sinuses affecting your eyes? So annoying. I have 2 pumps in here because I suffered from bronchitis while I was away, so I was sick too. So I have 2 pumps. Whoa, what was that? I also have some moisturizer that my friend gave to me and lotion that I took from a hotel. So this is the makeup brush that I use to apply it here, and then my bliss stick. So I don't really carry around any makeup stuff anymore because I've kind of given makeup a break, if I'm going to be completely honest. And that's pretty much all I have in this pouch. So this pouch is like a, you know, if I'm going anywhere and I don't want to carry this bag, I will just reach for this, take this out and put it in whatever bag I'm carrying along with my wallet. And usually when I'm going on the road, I'll just take my car keys, throw it in my wallet, grab my phone and go. Alright, so this is my Gucci eyeglass case. That's there because I keep my cleaning cloth in it. I went to Mega Mart, so this is my Mega Mart receipt. And what I got from Mega Mart were these 2 skincare products. This is the Olay Cleanse and the Olay Cleanse. So this is the toner and the gentle foaming cleanser. I decided to buy both of them because I used to use both, but I don't know why I changed. I really like it because it's really good for sensitive skin. And trust me, my skin is really sensitive. What's this? Oh, deposit slips, you know. Gotta save, guys. That's some deposit slips. This is another deposit slip for the bank. Gotta save, guys. Gotta save. I'm not sure what this is. Probably garbage to the ground. And what do I have here? A fork. You never know when you may need a fork, especially if you're buying food on the road and you drop a fork. What you're going to use? Your hands? No, you have a spare fork. So now that everything is outside the bag, this is what it looks like. It has Steve Madden here. There's another little zipper compartment in it, but I don't use it, so yeah. It has some little pockets here that you can put, you know, maybe a phone, some other earphones and other stuff in. Zipper compartment is right there. And it has the cloth inside of it has Steve Madden written all over it. So yeah, that's the bag. So this is what it looks like with everything out. Has a lovely shape, absolutely love it. I've gotten so many compliments on this bag. They're like, where did you get it? Oh, and before I forget, I'm sure this is what all of you guys are here. Price wise, I paid I think it was $34 or $32 in TJ Maxx, but it retails for about $78, $80. So yeah, my wallet. No, I think I paid $15 for this and it retails for like maybe $25. What's in my wallet? Of course, you know, a bunch of cards, but this is where I keep my pen because it's just really handy. That means I will always have a pen on me as long as I have my wallet. That's it, guys. Hope you like it. You know, if you want to get it or if you plan to get it, let me know in the comment section below. And can you guys please recommend some other purses for me? Because I do like bags. It's just that right now I have nowhere to store them, so I only have like 4 purses that I just throw in the bottom of my closet because like I said, I don't have nowhere to put them. But let me know where you guys buy your bags from. I'd really love to know because I'm really interested in buying some more. So yeah, that's it, guys. This video is a little too long, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you made it to the end, please comment some dancing emojis. That's like my favorite emoji, guys. So if you made it to the end of the video, please comment some dancing emojis so that I can show some love. All right, so thanks again for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.